Hello guys, today I want uh, analysis technical from cryptocurrency, market cryptocurrency, Bitcoin USD or BTC. Now I want check Bitcoin in CoinMarketCap. In CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin today up 0.131% is so little bit. And now I want to analysis from trading view. You can see and studying from my analysis for trading in cryptocurrency maybe. Okay, Bitcoin after bearish in March 2022. This is can break out from bearish, and now he make a pattern. Maybe this is I see maybe this pattern is which pattern which maybe after this Bitcoin can bullish. But if the exponential moving average 90 breakout can hold, maybe this price go down and he go to price 37,500 59,100. This is price for the Bitcoin, but I hope Bitcoin can bullish and EMA 90 can hold this price. Yes, this is my analysis for Bitcoin. But yesterday price can hold, and maybe tomorrow this price can up to resistance. This is resistance for Bitcoin. Okay, see you and goodbye.